Mom, can I go fishing for 10 minutes? Playing sister is so boring. Are you in a hurry? Go back to mom and do it for me today. Go fishing. Is my mother talking about your chicken? Can chicken be added or not? Hey, turn it off before talking about it. Sitting on a small bench. Then show it first. Let's show Zhang Taigong and catch a few more fish. Good to make a nest. Count out the bait I bought for 47 yuans. Now out of the oven. Leave you. 54,321 second. The third. Hey, come on, come on, come on. I haven't left yet. Here it comes. Fishing friends, please remember to say hello when fishing in the future. Go ahead. Come again. Move, move, move. Ouch, yo, 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 yo. Wala. What's this? This is the native crucian carp again. Yo. Oh, don't move down there. Looks like I have to eat skin today. Okay. It's okay for the waiter to lose yelling his temper and drinking all the way into the nest. Look, my nest is boiling. This car. Hey, this goose feather piao looks into my eyes. Equipment gradually becomes complete. Wait one. Where can I go if I can easily go online? I lost to 666,666. Praise me, praise me, praise me, praise me, praise me, praise me. Come on, praise me. Come on. Let 10 netizens praise me. 6 horses, hee hee. Wow, this native crucian carp is so beautiful. Look at it. It's too small if you look again. Old. Fish. Ha ha ha. Oh. This little cutie is a yo-yo. Hey, 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 hey. It's aimed at. Go ahead. Ouch, this is big. Wow. Connect to the fourth. Ouch, this is too much to eat. This is too long to eat. Sorry, I didn't mean it. All the fish were caught and fainted. Haha. Here we go again. Mia. Oops. Wow. Hey, here again. The fifth shot of practice. So happy fishing. Hey, hey, here again. Ha ha ha, ouch. I caught 6, and 7 fish within 5 minutes. Challenge 8 poles in a row. Challenge 8 poles in a row. Ha 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 ha. Sorry, it's just that powerful. Challenge to beers. Leave you. Why? Oh, my wife is too young, right? She even ran away. Does it count as a connecting rod? Does it count as a connecting rod? Oh my God, I'm so handsome. I'm a pig. I'm boiling the pot here. We'll catch fish in less than 10 seconds. I feel like I need to eat it. Hey, do it. Ouch, 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 ouch. I can't do it. I can't do it. Just don't scream for me. It's hard to catch a fish. Don't worry about it yet. Go first. There have been more than a dozen changes. Tomorrow, my mother will beat me and I will go out fishing. Even if you beat me to death, I will fish. Hey, hey, hey. Wow, to more gods. Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Are you tired from running? Fishing is so fun, right? How many? Why? Wow, this is so big. Oops, the computer is down, otherwise it will all be destroyed tomorrow. How about the last one? Hey, forget it. Don't do it. Old man, bring the bucket. How can a person come out to fish for faucets if he hasn't fishing for a long time? Take a look. Look at the one that caught so many. Can you still learn to fish? Then why don't you use a condom to get it done? Junk fishing and fish to eat every day.